Welcome to Narrowboat at Jamesville. Well, thanks for joining me. It is time for galley construction to start. So I've got to bring myself in CLS and the melamine board from the bottom there. Travis Perkins is only around the side, so I'm going to ask Marlon to see if he can help me walk a piece round, but I'm nervous about it fitting in. I haven't got much of an aperture here, so I don't know if the full 8x4 sheet's going to fit in here, but there's only one way to find out, I guess. Just going to prop it up here and this. Give it a go. No, it's not going through the front. I've been curious as to whether this would get in the back anyway, so an 8x4 sheet. Yeah, let's try it. You know what, it might. Hang on.
You think it will? Hold on, don't move anything. Don't move anything.
Okay. Angle 3. Oh, I might have to move a step. Oh no. Yes, bro. At the edge of that step though. Right, place it over there.
I never thought it possible.
Right, that's the result. Cheers, pal.
See you later.
Okay, cool. Now I know I can get the full-size boards into the boat. I'm going to go back with Marlon to Travis Perkins, get myself some 9mm hardwood ply sheets for the upper walls. I've got to rip them down, but the offcut is going to be used up on the ceiling, kind of on the flanks. So hopefully keep wastage to a minimum. Right, I'm going to get some of the new stuff in there, and he said he's happy for me to have a little flick through it all and get the best stuff. Yeah, another 4 or 5 more. Right, I have seriously lucked out on this timber. This is beach face ply, which I wasn't expecting. They just charged me for hardwood ply. And this is BCC, which basically means that one face of it is of a B grading and the other face is of a CC grading, which basically is how attractive the face of it is. But this being beach, it kind of matters because it can look really, really nice. The one with the sticker on it, if it's UKCA, which is, what is it, it's like the accreditation, then the sticker will be on the CC side. So that's how you know. And if I can get it up without muddering it, look at that. It got ruined a little bit in the rain coming over here, but it'll dry out. But that is well attractive. I was thinking about painting the upper walls, but now with that kind of really nice patterning on it, I'm thinking of enhancing that. So basically varnishing it will be the way to go. And because it's beach and it's not that dark, it won't look like death by wood. It will be quite bright. There's a few blemishes on it, which I'm going to have to work out where they're going to be in relation to the windows, because I've got to cut the windows out of this. But the other thing is I bought 4 of these boards, and because they're only 9mm ply, they're going to start to bend as they were in the shop. So basically I'm going to have to get them on the wall pretty quickly. The other good advantage, oh no, mushroom vent. The other advantage of the fact it's attractive ply is because the offcut of this from the wall is going to be ripped down in two, and it's going to make the flanks for the ceiling. So the fact that it's actually an attractive timber is going to make those bits much nicer. Right, let's mark this up and start cutting it. Let's do that one first. Right, this board here's got a few kind of markings down there, so I'm going to trim that bit off and use this rather nice bit. There's a few little blemishes, but like that, but I think it might come out all right. And that's the first one I'm going to cut. Right. Right, I thought I'd rip them all down in one go. Well, not obviously all together, but whilst it's all set up like this. This piece here is got caught in the rain a little bit. There's not much room to work with around here, so getting these done will be make a bit of space. Right, all four boards have been trimmed, and this one is going to be for that area there. So I've just got to measure up, mark up where the window cutout's got to be. The end of the board comes to there anyway. So I've got a very kind of thin strip to mark out there. Right, I've made one cut. Little trick I've picked up here. So after marking out the line, I've just gone and scored it with a Stanley blade. And it means that when the blade goes through it, all the little kind of splintery bits are on the offcut and not on the good side. Right, that's the window cut out. Loads of splinters down there. And on that side, very little. And not a bad cut. Right, I've drilled a few holes up here. I'm going to attempt to get this board up in place on my own without Marlon's help, but he's around if I need him. be a little bit careful here. Right. I need everything to hand. Window's pretty much in the right place. I think that is pretty good, you know. Right, it's got me flush up against that wall, which it is. Oh, get in. This is. Well, I've actually done this correctly. Oh. Pretty good. There's got to be a bit of trim put on the windows anyway, so that'll obviously hide all of that stuff, but it's all in the right place, top and bottom, sides, that's all good. Right, now I can put this board there. It's got kind of blemishes and stuff in that area, so that's where I'm hopefully going to get some of the window. gone in around the windows and Graham's hatch. It looks really good. Once it's obviously got the trim on it and stuff, it's going to look superb. I'm well chuffed with some of the patterns I've managed to get out of this. So I'm hoping kind of varnish. I know it's already on the walls. There was no way I was going to be able to varnish it all, and then because you should do it flat. You should also do it in a fairly decent climate. Obviously this isn't, it's bloody freezing at the moment. But I've seen someone at North Kilworth, my mate Nick up there, put about 30 coats of varnish on the inside of his shower, and he did it all up right. So a little bit and often is the way to go, so kind of 1 coat a day. But yeah, I reckon varnish is going to be the way to go for all of that, and make the boat smell like boaty, which would be good. Carry on with that piece tomorrow when I've got a bit of light. But I think now it's time to hit slow patrol and have some dinner. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye. Homemade minestrone. Bang on.